So as when I first heard about the flat Earth theory, I dismissed it and thought it was crazy. And it wasn't until maybe a month or two afterwards that I looked into it with the attitude that, okay, I'm going to see what kind of craziness this is. And back then there were basically three theories. It was the flat Earth with a dome on top, and there was the flat Earth infinite space, and then there was a like a hollow Earth theory, but I don't know about that one. But when you really start to look at the evidence and break free, I mean, watch these things with an open mind and try to explain certain things, like why can't you feel the spin? And I mean, if the Earth revolves around the sun, how come day and night aren't flipped over, reversed, when during the summertime and the wintertime? And there are a lot of questions that don't add up with the ball Earth theory that we have been told. And the people behind it basically are Satanists or Freemasons or Jesuits. The whole all of the things. I mean, it starts with a little lie, with the whole Big Bang theory of evolution and the heliocentric model. It's all just made up. And when you look into these things, watch them with an open mind. And to be honest, I don't know what it looks like, but I feel absolutely 100% certain that it's not a ball, and that this ball is not spinning around the sun. That is for sure. It's flat-ish, I would say, and if you look at the evidence, you see that there's a cover-up, and this cover-up is reinforced by the NASA moon landing hoax. The only reason why the NASA moon landing hoax was done was to keep people inside the matrix, meaning that they live on a ball. That's the sole purpose. The purpose of the moon landing hoax that I mentioned previously, that it was to humiliate the Soviet Union. That's just a side note. Specifically, particularly when you think about that both sides are funded by the same people. So here are some interesting videos for you. The first one is around 2 hours. The Flat Earth Clues by Mark Sargent. This Crazy Notion by Math Powerland is also very interesting, but he is a firm believer in the infinite plane. I don't believe that anymore, but I will leave you to decide that. But like I said, when you watch these things, have an open mind, and yeah, considering all the other lies that you've been told, this one is not a far stretch from it. And the reason for this lie is for the next episode. I might as well cover this thing. Here's some evidences as to why the theory of evolution is complete bunk also. You can have a look at that. So okay, thanks for tuning in.